Good evening, and on tonight's Terrain Tuesdays, we've got a little Prezi. It's been sent this box by Maz from Winterdyne, and let's have a look at what he sent us. Oh, wonderful big bags. Right, well, it looks like it's cottage notice board and well from their City of Turok range, which they 3D print under license from Black Scroll Games, if I'm not mistaken. Right, well, let's have a... Oh! It's full of wonderful things. Let's have a little look at... Oh, no, I broke it. Yeah, there we go. Well, that was a nice surprise. So, looks like the cottage comes with... Oh, let's have a look at the cottage itself. Excellent 3D print, which is on an FDM 4-colour printer by the looks of it, so this is ready to play straight out the box. So the choice of green for the tiles is a bit interesting, but we do know that tiles can be painted. So on the web page, these are a little bit brighter and more of a turquoise colour rather than this green. But all in all, unless you look really closely, you can't actually tell that this is an FDM print. So it looks like it's a painted resin print. But it looks good, and as I said, it comes with a bed and a fireplace. Oh, wait a minute, the fireplace comes with a little LED lamp, which, if I'm not mistaken, I've jammed in. So I tried to get it in the wrong way round. Just give me one moment. Let's try that again. Obviously this is supposed to go that way round. So you can see that the glow lights up the fire. In fact, let's see what I can do here. Do that. And that. That is quite an impressive little LED. Put the safety back in, protect it for now. So that fireplace goes at the back. It also comes with a little chest. So, excellent little model. And then they've also sent us this well, again, a 4-colour 3D print, and it looks damn good. So, okay, there's no moving parts, but other than that, look good. And again, with a notice board, all matching with the green roof tiles. So then let's have a look at these barrels. Right, again we have the barrel. The lamp doesn't want to work now. seems to be my fault. Let's try the other one. So, a little light up lamp on top of a barrel, which should be very atmospheric for late night games of D&D. Again, like the other barrels, these again are 3D prints, but the metallic they've used for the steel hoops actually looks like quite bright steel. So, all in all, excellent little set. If I'm not mistaken, the light up barrel on the web page is about £3, and the set of 6 barrels is about £7.50. And then the notice board, the regular 3D print is a £5, or the colour print is £8. And the well, again, the regular print's a £5, but the colour print is £9, and really worth it. And then the cottage, the plain grey 3D print is £14, whereas the full colour print is £33. And let's face it, even like that, that's going to have saved you 3, maybe 4 hours of base painting, and that would probably take an ink or an oil wash over it, and then a bit of a dry brush, and it'll be as good as any other piece you've got. So, what about sizing? Well, I don't have any regular fantasy at hand, but I do have the Terminator. So, yeah. The Terminator would have difficulty getting through the door, which, considering they're supposed to be about 9 foot tall, perfect. So, perfect to match Games Workshop's Sigmar games, and probably a few others. So it looks like it's going to be slightly large for historics. I have a pike and shot figure I'm painting here. Yeah, little too big for regular 28mm historics, but then that's not much of an issue because it is obviously a fantasy cottage. So thank you, Maz. This would be a great addition to my fantasy tables as soon as I get those orcs and Empire painted up. Thank you, everyone.